Plants can occasionally exhibit minor symptoms before a more serious issue arises. Clavibacter michiganensis, subspecies michiganensis, is one potential cause of this illness. Among the indicators you may observe are: infected seedlings grow into weak, stunted plants with little white patches on their petioles and leaf veins. Mature plants may exhibit symptoms as a result of secondary bacterial infection or the original infection spreading to new tissues via the plant's functioning systems. Yellowing between leaf veins, curling and wilting of older leaves, sometimes only on one side of the leaf, are characteristic signs of such systemic infection. Later, the leaves gradually turn brown and wilt. Usually, the petioles remain green and firmly attached to the stem. Later infection symptoms are characterized by dark brown lesions on the leaf margins and round spots with halos on the leaf blade. The base of the plant rots, and brown and dark brown streaks appear on the upper part of the stem. Later, the stem cracks and forms elongated, brown, ulcerated lesions. On the fruit, brown spots with halos appear. As the disease progresses, the entire plant withers. This issue may develop due to factors like bacteria can survive on seeds, in plant debris, or in the soil. Transmission occurs through infected seeds, soil-borne pathogens, or during plant care. Bacteria reproduce in the leaf veins, blocking the transport of water and nutrients in the plant. As a result, the plant begins to wilt and shrivel. High soil moisture, relative humidity, and warm temperatures, 24 to 32 degrees Celsius, are favorable for disease development. You can start with gentle or natural methods such as dipping seeds in 8% acetic acid or 5% hydrochloric acid solutions. Treatment with water or methyl bromide can also be applied. If needed, stronger treatments may include. Always consider combining preventative and biological treatments where applicable. Under conditions of frequent rain and prolonged wet periods, spraying with fungicides may improve the disease situation. This can minimize leaf blight and fruit spot. If preventative measures are applied, using copper-based fungicides offers some benefit, given that localized infections pose only a minor economic threat. To help reduce the chances of recurrence, choose grafts or seeds that have been confirmed disease-free. Select disease-resistant cultivars if at all possible. Grafts can be made using soil-free culture media on plastic trays in place of garden growth media. To eradicate germs, try fumigating the soil and seed beds. Give gardening equipment and tools a thorough cleaning. Eliminate weeds of the Solanaceae family. Keep an eye on the garden and remove any diseased plants that are near the ground. For a minimum of 2 to 3 years, alternate tomatoes with non-Solanaceae plants. After harvesting, plow thoroughly and bury any leftover sick plant material. The margins are often where fading, curling, and drooping leaves start. The fruit develops brown dots with halos. The margins are working to create vertically streaked stem rot. The stem starts to crack. For more useful advice on plant care, follow.